gonna take my horse to the old town road. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more. I got the horses in the back.
To my channel, guys. So today I am going to be doing a taste test with the one and only Mochi. I do not know if this is the significant and like the actual good mochi and stuff like that, but we're gonna try it. Okay, so it's mochi ice cream. It's by my Mo. I am not sponsored. I just wanted to try it because it looked cool at my local grocery store. So it's premium ice cream wrapped in sweet pillowy dough. And I believe it is, oh, and they have other flavors. Sweet mango, ripe strawberry, green tea, vanilla bean, cookies and cream, double chocolate, and much more. And I believe it is a Japanese type of ice cream. So sorry if you guys hear that in the background. My family is over, but it is fine. So let's open up the packaging. The packaging is really cute though. Like, look how cute. Wants to focus. Yes, that is how it looks. It looks so delicious. Like, okay, let's open it. So it is dough and then ice cream on the inside. So I hope this tastes good. So let's try it. Okay. So it's like cupcake shaped. Cupcake shaped. So let's try it. Okay. Guys, it tastes like strawberry. Shortcake a little bit, but with like powdered sugar. Look. This is what it is. It tastes very good actually. Look. It's like dough on the outside. And then it's ice cream filled. I really, I just been to strawberry. My lips are very powdery though. See, cause I believe they put powdered sugar. But I like the ice cream. It doesn't taste like artificial flavored. So it says how to enjoy. Keep frozen until Momo time. My Mo time. Let mochi sit a minute or two. Enjoy. Yeah, I guess I have waited to sit to get like melted or something. But it's really good. Turn my lips all powdery. That's how it looks. Trainer if it wants to focus. There. But it's really good. I'm not a big fan of the dough, but I really like the ice cream on the inside. And it has dough around it, and it is ice cream in the middle. And I taste it like a Japanese sweet. It is very good though. Like, let's take a thumbnail. Hold on. Does it want to focus? Very sticky. Took it. So it is very good actually. Okay. Like the dough tastes like gum. It's a little gummy. But I really like the ice cream. If you just peel away the dough a little. Okay. Take the dough out. Take the dough out. Yeah, you can tell this ice cream is not artificially flavored. Like, it's so refreshing with the strawberry flavor. Amazing. Ripe strawberry. It's delicious. Ingredients: milk, cream, sugar, strawberry puree, strawberry sugar water. Yep. It's so good. Guys, it's like really gummy, as you can tell. Like dough. I'm not a big fan of dough on desserts, but it's really good. I might just save this for later. It's really good side, actually. So let's take this out of here. But it's actually really good, guys. So you guys should try it. And thank you guys for watching my video. And I am going to constantly eat this. It's good. But thank you guys for watching my video. And remember to subscribe and like to the channel. And thank you guys for watching. Bye.